I need somebody. Somebody. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Cafe Estela. Cafe Stella. Umay ka? Tugon? Ano kung ibig sabihin na naman? Akin na, pipicture lang ko kayo. Ay, hindi ako marunong. Si Roy pala ang...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend.
Dear friend!
To you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Jay!
Iyak na yan. Sige, picture tayo para...
Ako na yun picture natin yun.